Are the cushions of your dental units or your dental stools getting old and worn out? Has time affected the upholstery color, and continuous use damaged the synthetic leather? You can change that with our help. We, the team at DKL, with over 40 years of experience in manufacturing dental upholstery, are happy to help you get new cushions. We provide the right replacement upholstery for all popular models and offer a wide selection of the most common dental synthetic leather colors. Whether you only want to replace individual cushions or give your entire practice a brand new upholstery look, we are happy to advise you. Our customer service team has the necessary wealth of experience. Which model featured which type of upholstery at what time? Which cushions can you easily replace yourself, and which upholstery models require an experienced technician? Which manufacturer had which color in their range at what time? Just ask us. We will safely guide you through all questions regarding your replacement upholstery. Do you need anything else beyond that? How about a new protective foot cover to shield the seat cushions in the shoe rest area? Are any upholstery fasteners damaged? We have the right spare parts. Are you looking for the correct cleaning and care products for your dental upholstery? We offer a perfectly coordinated product range, along with practical application instructions. Has the function of the gas spring on your dental stool declined? We will find the right replacement and support you with a detailed installation guide. Are your stool casters no longer running smoothly? We will ensure full freedom of movement once again. We are gladly at your disposal for all of these questions, ensuring your practice remains beautifully welcoming and everything functions exactly as desired. DKL, your dental upholstery specialist. 40 years of experience. Quality upholstery, made in Germany.